What each of you should be doing is, you have the time 2.5 hours. Okay. Spend 15 minutes before the examination to analyze the entire paper. Okay. This, and this. Please analyze it. This question has to be given about 1 hour, 10 to 15 minutes. And this part has to be given about 1 hour. Okay. So 15 to 20 minutes, I'm basically segregating out in order to analyze the paper. Okay. You may actually do this in 3 parts. Okay. Give 5 minutes if you want to start the first with the first section. Give 5 minutes. Look at all the 10 questions. It won't even be taking you 5 minutes. I'm actually giving you maximum 5 minutes. It will ideally take you 2 to 3 minutes. Identify each and every problem and kindly classify each and every problem into the following. I've actually shared this with the mock test students. Kindly make a mark beside each question as 0, 1 or 2. So when you start off this examination, keep sheets of paper. Okay, in the first sheet write section 1. Okay, then you mark 1 to up to 10. Question number 1 is supposing medium difficulty, mark it 1. Question number 2, extremely simple for me because I am very good with probability distributions. Okay, so I mark this a 0. Question number 10, extremely difficult. Testing, I haven't actually done that, so I mark it 2. So 0 is the mark for an easy question, 1 is the mark for a medium difficulty question, and 2 is the mark for a difficult question. You may use the mark as 0, 1, 2 or the mark as EMD. So whenever you start off a section on a sheet, kindly write down all the question numbers 1 to 10, mark it as EMD or 0, 1 or 2. Okay. So in the first 2 to 3 minutes, I have been able to identify all the easy questions and the medium difficulty and the difficult questions from a particular section. So then what do? I attempt all the zeros or all the E's from that particular section. Suppose out of the 10, I have been able to identify 6 questions which were easy for me. Attempt only those 6 for the time being. Attempt it, go on to the next section. Kindly remember, analyze the section, mark it as a 0, 1, 2, attempt only the easier questions, move on to the next question immediately. Keep this sheet handy with you so that you exactly know which were the easy questions that you had. Okay. Then you go into section number 2. Section number 2, again on a sheet of paper on the same sheet, you may actually do it. So section number 2 will be on this part. Again 1, 2 up to 10. Again 0, 1 or 2. Okay, or EMD, whatever you want to follow. Please mark all the questions. Do all the E's first or the zeros first. Okay, in the second section, out of 10 questions, you are able to identify, say, 7 easy questions. You have already completed about 13 questions out of 20 questions, which you are absolutely sure about. And your confidence will therefore be sky high. Okay, then you do the same thing with section number 3 or section number 4, 1 to up to 20. This might take you about maximum 10 minutes. Okay, so you give your 10 minutes, again mark it as EMD 0, 1, 2. Do all the E's first. So what has happened is you have been able to attempt all the E's first from all the sections. That will give you enormous confidence. It will be a confidence booster. Also, easy questions for you will be done very easily, very fast. So 6 questions of easy difficulty can be done in about 6 minutes by you. 7 questions of easy difficulty will be done in 7 minutes by you. And say out of 20 questions, you're able to identify only 10 easy questions in the economics part. So 10 easy questions finished in 10 minutes. Easy questions for you will be done in 1 minute on an average, not even a minute. Even ISIT, DSE questions, easy questions takes about 30 seconds to 40 seconds. Okay. I am actually giving you 1 minute each for each question. So how many minutes have actually elapsed? 5 minutes of analyzing section 1, 6 minutes of solving, 5 minutes of section 2 analyzing, 7 minutes of solving, 10 minutes of analyzing section number 3 or 4, and 10 minutes of solving. So 5 plus 5, 10, 16, 23, 43 minutes into the paper, 43 minutes into the paper, and you are potentially finishing all the easier questions for you in the paper. That will be about 23 questions out of the 40 questions already done in the first 43 minutes. That is huge. You have about 1 hour 45 minutes left in the paper. Okay. This is a foolproof technique to score well in any entrance examination. I have actually done this for DSC, ISI, JNU, all the entrance examinations. Okay. And, I have actually fared well in all these entrance examinations. Okay. So kindly follow this. So what are you supposed to do? Firstly, analyze section 1, do all the easier questions of section 1, analyze section number 2, do all the easier questions of section number 2, analyze section number 3, do all the easy questions of section number 3. After that, you go into the medium difficulty of each of the sections. So section 1 medium, section 2 medium, section 3 medium difficulty. Then if you have time, go into difficult questions of each of the sections. I can guarantee you will be able to finish off all the medium difficulty questions and all the easier questions and yet have 1 hour left. Okay. You will have 1 hour left because your analyzing time, the 20 minutes time is also included in the first 43 minutes. That does not have to be spent again. Okay. So you will take maximum 45 minutes to do all the medium difficulty questions. Medium difficulty questions will not be much. From the first, it will be about 2 questions. Second will be say 1 question, and the third it will be say 5 questions. In order to do 8 questions, I'm giving you 45 minutes. More than 5 minutes on each question. Can you even imagine? Lot of time. Lot of time. And the difficult questions, then you try at the end. Okay. So say you have 1 hour left at the end. In the 1 hour, give about 15 minutes to the first 2 sections in the difficult. If you are able to do it, well and good. If you're not able to do it, leave it. If you are able to get it down to only 2 options, take a guess, take a calculated guess, and give 30 minutes for the difficult questions in section number 3, and that will spend your entire 2.5 hours. So this has to be done in terms of planning out to give this entrance examination. Analyze the paper for each of the section and do the easier questions. Then you go into the medium. Then you go into the difficult questions. Okay. So this is what has to be done. So wishing all of you all the best for Ashoka entrance examination. Thank you and be well.